Can you imagine a world where artificial intelligence outpaces human intelligence? A world where robots take over jobs, not just in factories or warehouses, but in offices, hospitals, and perhaps even in the arts? Welcome to the future, a future that is unfolding right now. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is no longer just a concept from science fiction. It's here, it's real, and it's transforming everything from how we drive our cars to how we diagnose diseases. But what does this mean for jobs, for careers, for the future of work? To delve into this, we've gathered insights from some of the leading AI experts around the globe. Dr. Jane Doe, a noted AI researcher from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, shares her thoughts on this transformative technology. Artificial intelligence is not just about automating tasks, she says. It's about augmenting human capabilities, enhancing our ability to solve complex problems, and opening up new avenues for creativity and innovation. Next, we hear from John Smith, an AI futurist and author of the best-selling book Rise of the Machines. The fear that AI will take away jobs is not unfounded, Smith admits, but it's important to remember that every major technological revolution in history has led to the creation of new jobs, new industries, and new opportunities. The AI revolution will be no different. So, what jobs will AI create? What skills will be in demand? How can you prepare for a career in an AI-driven world? According to a recent report by the World Economic Forum, the top skills for the future of work include complex problem-solving, critical thinking, creativity, people management, and emotional intelligence. These are skills that machines can't replicate, skills that will make you indispensable in the workplace of the future. And it's not just about acquiring new skills, it's about lifelong learning, about adapting to change, about embracing the unknown. It's about understanding that the only constant in the future of work is change. As a case study, consider the success of the YouTube channel AI Demystified. This channel, run by a group of AI enthusiasts, has garnered millions of views by making complex AI concepts accessible to the average person. They've turned their passion for AI into a thriving online career, proving that opportunities abound in this new era of AI. In summary, the rise of AI is not something to fear, but something to embrace. Yes, it will transform jobs and industries, but it will also create new opportunities for those willing to learn, to adapt, and to innovate. So look to the future with curiosity, with excitement, with a sense of adventure. Because in the world of AI, the future is now.